Hi guys, we are at Eggesford Station, level crossing in Devon, UK level crossing and more. Time now is 17:01 on Friday the 5th of March 2021. And this will be for your 1658, expected 57, to Juliet 90 Greatston Warrior service from Barnstable to St James Park. And the person that I'm with today isn't Roger, isn't Abby, isn't Tom, but it's Claire today. It's Claire, look. She's with me today instead of Roger. No, it's Claire today, and her daughter's in the car over there. And she asked the conductor if we could get a tone, and I think we're about to get a tone. And this is the 958, and over there was the 956. So hopefully we should get a tone now. Not bothered if we're not. Just do it. One 958, 958. There we go. One 958, 958 to St James Park. There we go.